How to set signer sequence. Log onto your SigningCloud app. Click on Create Document by tapping on the blue button at the bottom of your screen. Select your document type. Tap on the plus button to upload the document you wish to send for signing, and continue to the next step. Enable the sequence button at the top right corner to set the signing sequence. Select the signers that are required to sign the documents by tapping on Add Recipients. Or if you wish to add some to receive a copy of the document only, simply add them under the Received Copy section. Tap and hold to drag and drop any specific signer to the designated signing sequence of your choice. Continue to the next step and assign the required action once you have completed assigning the signing sequence.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.